Yeah. Yeah.
And off he goes.
Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today, got a wild hair up my butt. After yesterday's paddle, back upstream after the keys, and back and forth, like 6 miles in this thing with paddles, I decided today I was gonna put a motor on it. Like, no more paddling. If that ever happens again, I'm just gonna kick the motor down and bang upstream. That's the dream. We don't know if this thing works yet. I'm gonna unload it and show you what we got. It's nowhere near seaworthy, but maybe lake-worthy. We'll see. It's heavier than
A little bit of weight in there now, huh?
Yeah, it's a little heavier than it used to be.
See if Dad can't sink.
Yeah, I think I got the weight proportioned out right there.
Or get struck by lightning. Look at that. Scary.
First test, does it float?
Hey!
Alright.
You're floating.
Not too heavy. So, we're going to do the electrical rigging.
What in the world you got going on here? Why don't you explain to us? What is this?
Well, this is my doodad to my hem haw. So, pull this doodad, and that allows this hem haw to go up.
Oh my gosh.
See how that works? Yeah. What do you think of that? Huh?
Alright,
Is
YouTube.
that freaking awesome? Unfolded like a pro. That's pretty good. Let's get a battery in here and see if it's still floating though. And then this is my lead off of I think it was a shop vac that I taped to a speed controller. And then to boot. Go back there, look at that prop. What's this? When I move this left and right,
Oh!
do you see that?
That's great.
Look at what I got here.
Ah.
So, I can steer this thing while sitting in it. And fishing. Or go panning. Or whatever. We'll see. Okay. Shot back cord. Engage.
So you're gonna fit in there with all that too, huh?
Yeah, I think I can slide this up the bow quite a ways. That's why I threw such a long cord on it. And I think if I get it just right. Maybe this way.
I think it's working.
Oh, it goes.
You're gonna be scooting. You're gonna be doing a wheelie. At least that battery up there will give you a little counter.
That's what I was thinking. Got the motor in the back.
What are you gonna do
Controls
with
in the
that?
front. Oh, we're on speed 5. No wonder why it's going so fast. Maybe we'll kick her down to 1 for just getting started, alright? Be right back for some madness. Stay tuned.
Oh!
Not control.
What just happened?
I dropped some control in the water.
You
Probably
need to
doesn't
be
matter.
waterproof,
Probably
right?
doesn't matter.
Right, it doesn't matter.
Nope, don't matter.
Hold on, careful.
I don't want to scrape the bottom. Give me my
You didn't bring a paddle?
I do have my paddle tucked in there, I believe.
Okay.
Just in case. I don't know how to put it in reverse yet. Alright. Good push.
Are you going?
Going backwards. This is pretty slick.
Careful.
It works.
Come on, Gage. You got it forward yet?
I think it's because I'm on one. There we go. Now I got a little torque.
Turn your little. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
And off he goes. Trolling away.
What about that?
He's still floating.
Steering pretty good too. Eat your heart out, YouTube. This is hands-free.
He's zooming.
Coming around. Bring it around, Scotty.
Boy, you could do some good trolling in that.
That's what I'm saying. This is time for fishing now. Look, you can just control it with one arm. Just kind of move the paddle and away you go. Carving in.
Oh.
Bringing it around. Whoa. Don't crank her too hard there, boss. You'll lose it. All right, I'm going to take her out past the kids and take a look at this hot rod. Yeah.
Are you bound up? Uh-oh. Got some seaweed here.
I think we're stuck in the weeds.
Lots of weeds. Well, we didn't think about that, did we? Oh!
What happened?
You got a sea monster.
Whoa. Whoa. The balance is happening.
You can do it. Don't chop your fingers off. Make sure it's off. Ooh, lightning up there too.
I think we're free again.
Huzzah! Go out a little further.
No.
So much seaweed. Ooh. Big nasty crab. You got it?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Minor catastrophe diverted.
And the coffee ain't hit.
You look like you're going good now.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it on.
Rolling around still. Say hi, guys. Hi, YouTube. That's bragging to the other kayaker. He says paddles are overrated. Well, tell YouTube how that does.
You gotta be careful switching gears. It's fogged up. How about that? Don't get me yet. What do you think? Does it work?
Pretty good. See if you can do all that and a fishing pole.
I just gotta figure out how to get out of it.
Return voyage. It's pretty successful.
Where's thy rum? All right, folks. I hope I inspired you to get out there and modify your kayak a little bit in one way or another and just make things a little easier in your life. I had fun building this. It was just a few minutes in the shop, just a couple of screws. Pretty simple. So get out there, have some fun, folks, and enjoy yourselves. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next one.